Ohora gifted me their semi-cured nails, and I gotta tell you, these are incredible. Now, I just put these on, but this is my second pair of these nails, and they definitely last if you apply them correctly, and they really give you the best of both worlds, both from gel nails and press-ons. Here's what I love about these. Now, to start off with, this kit comes with everything you need except for a gel lamp. You can use any gel lamp you might have on hand, and Ohora makes a really nice gel lamp as well. It's super compact, so it's not going to take a ton of space like so many out there. Little legs pop open. It has a USB-C port on the back, and you have options for it to run for 45 or 60 seconds. In the box, you get 20 nail stickers, a nail file, a wooden stick, and your prep pads. And applying these is exceptionally easy. All you're going to do is prep your nails, put on the stickers, trim off any excess, harden them under the gel lamp, and then you'll file down till you have the correct shape and length that you want. Now you can level them up with a glossy nail polish. I went and got myself the Ohora top coat and I am loving it, but they really do look amazing without this as well. It just gives them that little extra professional quality. So they are very, very easy to apply. Whether you're a beginner to a pro, these go on so fast. And unless you're adding that top coat, the only smell is the slight rubbing alcohol smell in the prep pads. Otherwise, these don't have any odor at all, unlike gel nail polish that can be very strong. And then once they're on, they really do act like gel nails. They're super hard and sturdy, and they last a lot longer than press-ons for me, as long as I've applied them correctly. And when I say apply correctly, what I mean is that I fully washed my hands, got off any oils that might have been on the top of my nails. I used those prep pads. If you want to, you could add a nail primer, but not necessary. And then when you add the stickers on, you really want to push down hard and make sure they're fully attached as well as you can before you harden them. And with that, they really do last. They're lasting roughly the same amount of time as when I do gel nails, which usually chip in about 10 days for me. And these are lasting about the same, though it really depends on how hard you are on your hands and your fingers, how much you wash dishes, things like that. Some people say that they can wear these for up to 3 to 5 weeks, so it's going to really depend. And then my favorite part is that when it's time to remove these, they are so easy to remove, and my nails are completely undamaged by the removal process. All I did was get the Pro Easy Peel Remover, and then I just put a little drops of this along the edge. Within 2 seconds, I can use the little wooden stick to push under the sides. Keep adding this as needed. They come off within seconds. It's painless. It's so fast. And this alone makes these stand out to me. So if you've been looking at these at all, I cannot recommend them enough. Definitely get the nail remover as well, and I think you're going to really, really love these. They are exceptionally spoiling, and I am so thrilled that Ohora gifted me their nails, as now I've added the extras and I am hooked. Highly recommend.